Want super glossy, reflective floors in Roblox Studio FAST? Here's a quick trick that takes less than a minute and works with almost any material. First, go to Roblox Studio, Studio Settings, Rendering, and set your graphics rendering quality to max. This makes reflections and materials look much better while you work. Insert a part and scale it into a floor. Here I have floor already. Set the material to something like basalt, or any material you want as your base texture. Duplicate that floor part. Move the duplicate slightly above the original. Set the transparency to 0.5. This will act as a soft reflection layer. Now duplicate the original base part again. Place this new copy on top of everything. Change its material to glass. This adds the glossy shine effect. Insert a highlight into the top glass part. Then uncheck Enabled. This helps boost the reflective look in a subtle way. Select the top part and push the transparency slightly above 1 in the properties. This creates that smooth, reflective illusion without making the part fully visible. And that's it. Fast, glossy floors in Roblox Studio. Use this for lobbies, showcase maps, or horror games. Subscribe for more quick Roblox Studio tricks.